Hello, my name is Philip Rouleau with Rultract, and today I would like to explain why after 10 or more years of consistent, sturdy, and stable use, your Rultract retractor is starting to wobble. So as you can see here, the Rultract clamp is properly attached to the OR table bed rail, and yet the clamp still wobbles, resulting in a lean-in over the table. The jaws of a new or properly aligned Rultract table clamp will look like this when they're on the OR table bed rail. As you can see, the gap between the upper and lower jaw remains consistent. This clamp does not wobble on the bed rail. After many years of use, and also as a result of placing the Rultract table clamp on the bed rail and actually hitting one of the bolts that hold the rail on the table, the jaws of the Rultract table clamp will become spread. As you can see here, this gap between the upper and lower jaw is no longer consistent. This results in the clamp not getting a proper purchase on the OR table bed rail, of course, resulting in the wobble or the lean-in of the Rultract system. Looking at a new or properly aligned Rultract table clamp, again you will see the consistency in the gap between the upper and lower jaw. In looking at the older clamp that's in need of repair, you will see the gap between the upper and lower jaw is significantly larger, and it is also out of alignment. If you are experiencing the wobble or the lean-in of your Rultract equipment over the OR table, we recommend that you send the clamp to us for realignment in order for it to properly attach to the OR table bed rail once again. Please click on the link below to be taken to the Rultract website service request form.